Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys a small little Dollar Tree haul. I spent $27 and change, and I'm gonna show you everything I bought. So I'm not sure if it's every single Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree has gone to $1.25. Mind you, I've stepped into a Dollar Tree in almost a year now. So everything here was $1.25. I bought this for the front door. It's fall, play, pumpkin, ball. No, pumpkin. So basically, it's fall, play ball. I love the rhyming and I love the football because my husband is a huge football fan. He's a Dolphins fan. And my son's starting to get into football. Then my son wanted a little squish ball, so we got a little squish ball. I needed more clothing hangers for my son's room, so I'm glad that they had them. It's a 5-pack. I thought these are so cute, so I just had to buy them. These scented erasers. Strawberry, banana, apple, blueberry, and grape scents. For this, they had 4 different themes. They had Mickey Mouse. They had Trolls. They had the Jurassic Park, obviously, Jurassic World. And there was another one, but I can't remember what the theme was. They had a pack of 24 crayons. Big pens, 10 of them for $1. I picked those up. My husband needed razors, and these are 5-bladed. He likes the 3 blades, so I'm hoping he'll like the 5 blades. There are 3 of them in there. Then I got this little tote bag. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I know I will find a reason for it. My son saw these and instantly wanted them. I guess he's had them before. Oh, I knew else. I thought they were a Dollar Tree brand. They're a Wise brand. Yeah, these are going to be good. He said that he had these when my parents took them up to camp. I was looking for a pumpkin spice candle as a fall scent, because that's my favorite scent for the fall. They didn't have one, so I went with apple cinnamon, which is just as good. My son wanted this Spider-Man puzzle, so I picked that up. He wanted this little ball. Now, it looks like it lights up, but it doesn't. Then I got paper plates. Now let's go in and dissect this. So these were obviously $1.25 a piece. The cute little orange pumpkins. They are like a felt. Let's see if it says on the tag. Decor. Just not, but it feels like a felt. It's very soft. So I got the orange, obviously. The white. And then I love the tail, because I'm very big on this. I make sure I do it every year for Halloween. For those kids who have food allergies and can't eat like regular, or let's just say chocolate or peanut butter, for example, due to their food allergies, I put out bags of popcorn, like the microwavable ones, the Pop Secret ones, not made up or anything, just the pouch itself. And I'll sometimes throw in some like little toys for them. That way they're not left out on Halloween. So when I saw this, I was like, I gotta pick that up. So then we had the little flowers and leaves. That almost broke. Alright, I'm gonna pick this up. I am going to pick up Halloween stickers. I'm gonna let Christian pick them out. So I'm gonna pick up Halloween stickers to put in the vase. The vase was from Dollar Tree as well. But I love these like fall leaves. I think it's a cute little idea to just stick them together. And this has like little pumpkins in it. These pumpkins, I haven't really... These are like a soft... They seem more like styrofoam. But look at the detailing on it, like the specking of it and everything. So I picked those up. And I do want to point out that my local Dollar Tree, now I live in Massachusetts, my local Dollar Tree did not have that much Halloween stuff. I'd say maybe a quarter of the Halloween stuff, but they were just starting to put out, you could see like on the long carts, they had boxes of Halloween stuff they're getting ready to put out. They did have some like little tiny ornaments, like literally that size, for maybe like a Halloween tree or something. I prefer the fall and the cutesy ghost and witch. Nothing scary, just like simple cutesy kiddish stuff for Halloween. I love pumpkins, in case I haven't mentioned that before. But yeah, they didn't really have much. It's August. Today is August 1st. So throughout the month of August, we will be stocking up on Halloween decorations and giving you guys hauls of every store we go to and all the Halloween stuff that we buy. And then we will be decorating the last weekend of August, because September is going to be a very busy month for us, as always. We've had a laid-back summer, but now that we get back into the school year, it's getting crazy again with work, school. So we're just gonna do the decorating the last weekend of August, and then we have a trip coming up the end of September. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And while I'm on the topic of the trip, I do want to let you guys know we have a brand new channel. It's going to be a channel highlighting all of the hot spots of Massachusetts, what Massachusetts has to offer, whether you like hiking, gift shops, amusement parks, I'm trying to think, museums, family things to do. We are going to be highlighting that all. Obviously, we are not going to be highlighting everything within the first month, but we hope to put out 1 to 2 videos a month on that channel, just so that if you are planning on visiting Massachusetts, you guys know exactly where to go. That channel is under my real life name, Brittany Donnelly. So you will see a picture of Christian and I as the icon. So make sure that you subscribe to that channel as well if you have any plans on visiting Massachusetts, because I'm going to let you guys in on all the hot spots.